Hello everyone, welcome to EduQuest by Ankita. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English tenses in the easiest way. So let's begin. First of all, what is a tense? A tense tells us when an action happens. Simple words में tense हमें बताता है कि कोई action present, past या future में हुआ है. Why are tenses important? Because they make our English clear, correct and meaningful. अगर हम सही टेंस यूज नहीं करेंगे तो सेंटेंस का मीनिंग completely चेंज हो सकता है. English has three main types of tenses: present tense, action happening now; past tense, action already happened; future tense, action that will happen later. बस इन तीन ग्रुप्स को याद रखिए. बट हेयर्स एन इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट. इंग्लिश में सिर्फ 3 नहीं, टोटल 12 टेंसेज होते हैं. 4 प्रेजेंट, 4 पास्ट एंड 4 फ्यूचर टेंसेज. The present tenses help us talk about daily routines, actions happening right now, and actions that are still continuing. In the next lessons, we will study each one with easy examples. The past tenses describe actions that happened before, were in progress, or were completed in the past. Don't worry, we will learn them step by step. The future tenses tell us about actions that will happen in the future. Once you understand these three groups, learning all 12 tenses becomes much easier. That's all for today. If you found this lesson helpful, like, share, and subscribe to EduQuest by Ankita. See you in the next video.